Grenada, the Spice Isle, is a hidden gem in the Caribbean. It's a place where lush rainforests meet turquoise waters. The scent of nutmeg and cinnamon fills the air. This island nation offers a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. Come with me as we uncover the magic of Grenada. Grenada is a place to relax on pristine beaches. You can explore underwater wonders. History buffs will love the charming towns and colonial forts. Foodies can indulge in the island's flavorful cuisine. Grenada has something for everyone. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. We'll explore the top attractions that make Grenada a must-visit destination. Pack your bags and let's go. Our first stop is Grand Anse Beach, a true Caribbean paradise. This 2-mile stretch of white sand is a sight to behold. The water is crystal clear, with shades of turquoise and emerald. Lush green hills provide a stunning backdrop. Grand Anse is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Take a refreshing dip in the calm waters. Rent a kayak or paddleboard and explore the coastline. You can also try snorkeling or diving. Discover the colorful marine life just offshore. After a day in the sun, relax at one of the many beachside restaurants and bars. Enjoy fresh seafood and tropical cocktails. Watch the sunset over the Caribbean Sea. It's the perfect end to a perfect day. Our next adventure takes us to St. George's, the capital city of Grenada. This charming town is nestled around a horseshoe-shaped harbor. Colorful buildings with red-tiled roofs line the waterfront. St. George's is a feast for the eyes and a journey through time. Start your exploration at Fort George, a historic fort dating back to the 17th century. Climb to the top for panoramic views of the city and harbor. Don't miss Fort Frederick, another impressive fort with breathtaking views. Wander through the narrow streets and alleys of St. George's. Visit the National Museum to learn about Grenada's history and culture. Browse the colorful shops and markets for souvenirs. Be sure to sample the local street food. Grenada is home to stunning natural beauty, from cascading waterfalls to underwater wonders. Let's venture beyond the beaches and discover these hidden gems. First, we'll visit Annandale Waterfall. This picturesque waterfall cascades into a natural pool. Take a refreshing dip in the cool water. You can also hike through the surrounding rainforest. Enjoy the lush vegetation and listen to the sounds of nature. Next, we'll dive into the underwater world at the Molinare Underwater Sculpture Park. This unique attraction features a collection of submerged sculptures. They create an eerie and beautiful underwater gallery. Snorkelers and divers can marvel at this artistic creation while observing marine life. Section 5. Grand Etang National Park. Into the wild. Nestled in the heart of Grenada, Grand Etang National Park is a sanctuary for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. For nature enthusiasts, a visit to Grand Etang National Park is a must. The park offers a variety of activities that cater to all levels of outdoor enthusiasts, from casual walkers to seasoned hikers. This protected area is located in the heart of Grenada. It spans over 3,800 acres and is a vital part of the island's ecosystem, providing a habitat for numerous species of plants and animals. It's home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. The park's lush vegetation includes towering mahogany trees, vibrant orchids, and a variety of ferns and mosses that create a rich tapestry of green. Lace up your hiking boots and prepare to be amazed. The trails here offer a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the rainforest. Hike through the rainforest trails. These paths wind through dense foliage, offering glimpses of the park's hidden wonders at every turn. Keep an eye out for Mona monkeys swinging through the trees. These playful primates are a delight to watch as they leap from branch to branch. You might even spot the elusive Grenada dove, the national bird. This rare species is a symbol of the island's natural heritage and a highlight for birdwatchers. The park is also home to several scenic crater lakes, including the beautiful Grand Etang Lake. These serene bodies of water are perfect for a moment of reflection or a picturesque photo opportunity. Take a guided tour to learn about the medicinal plants and trees found in the rainforest. Knowledgeable guides share fascinating insights into the traditional uses of these plants by local communities. Cool off with a swim in one of the natural pools. These refreshing spots are perfect for a relaxing dip after a long hike. Grand Etang National Park offers a true escape into nature's embrace. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with the natural world, this park has something for everyone. Come and experience the wild beauty of Grenada's most treasured natural reserve. Section 6. The flavors of Grenada chocolate, spice and everything nice. Grenada is known as the Spice Isle for a reason. This beautiful Caribbean island is a treasure trove of flavors and aromas that captivate the senses. The island is famous for its aromatic spices, especially nutmeg, cinnamon and cloves. These spices are integral to Grenadian cuisine and culture. A visit to Grenada wouldn't be complete without experiencing the flavors of these spices. The vibrant spice markets are a must-see for any visitor. Start your culinary journey at one of the local spice markets. These bustling markets are filled with the sights and sounds of daily life in Grenada. Here you can find a wide variety of spices, often sold in colorful sacks. The vibrant colors and rich scents create an unforgettable experience. The air is filled with intoxicating aromas. Each spice has its own unique scent, inviting you to explore and discover. You can also learn about the history and cultivation of spices in Grenada. Guided tours offer fascinating insights into how these spices are grown and harvested. Next, visit a nutmeg factory to see how this precious spice is processed. The journey of nutmeg from tree to table is a meticulous process. Learn about the different stages, from harvesting to drying and grating. Each step is crucial in ensuring the highest quality of nutmeg. You can even purchase fresh nutmeg and other spice products to take home. These make for perfect souvenirs or gifts for loved ones. No trip to Grenada is complete without indulging in its rich chocolate heritage. Grenadian chocolate is renowned for its deep, complex flavors. Visit a cocoa plantation like the Belmont Estate to learn about the entire chocolate-making process. From the cultivation of cocoa pods to the final product, it's a journey of passion and craftsmanship. From bean to bar, you'll discover the artistry and passion that goes into crafting Grenadian chocolate. The dedication of local artisans ensures that each bar of chocolate is a masterpiece. As you savor the rich flavors, you'll appreciate the hard work and tradition behind every bite. Grenadian chocolate is more than just a treat, it's a testament to the island's rich cultural heritage. So, whether you're a spice enthusiast or a chocolate lover, Grenada offers a sensory adventure like no other. The island's flavors are a true reflection of its vibrant culture and history. Come and experience the magic of Grenada for yourself. Let the island's unique blend of chocolate, spice, and everything nice enchant you. Section 7. La Vera Beach, a secluded paradise. Nestled away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, La Vera Beach offers a serene escape that feels like stepping into another world. Escape the crowds and discover the untouched beauty of La Vera Beach. Here you can find peace and solitude, far from the noise and stress of urban living. Located on the northeastern tip of Grenada, this secluded beach is a true hidden gem. Its remote location ensures that it remains one of the island's best-kept secrets. La Vera Beach is known for its pristine white sand, crystal clear waters, and dramatic scenery. The beach stretches out invitingly, with the gentle waves lapping at the shore, creating a picturesque setting. The beach is a nesting ground for sea turtles, so you might be lucky enough to witness these gentle creatures laying their eggs. This natural spectacle is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature that La Vera Beach helps to preserve. Take a refreshing dip in the ocean. The clear, warm waters are perfect for swimming, offering a rejuvenating experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and invigorated, or simply relax on the shore and soak up the sun. The soft white sand is ideal for lounging, and the tranquil environment makes it easy to unwind and let go of all your worries. For the adventurous, there are hiking trails that lead to stunning viewpoints overlooking the ocean. These trails offer a chance to explore the natural beauty of the area, with breathtaking views that are well worth the effort. La Vera Beach is the perfect place to connect with nature and experience the tranquility of Grenada. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, this secluded paradise has something for everyone. Come and discover the magic of La Vera Beach, where nature's beauty is on full display. Section 8. Conclusion, Grenada awaits. From the pristine beaches of Grand Anse to the historic streets of St. George's, Grenada offers a captivating blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a taste of island life, Grenada has something for everyone. Explore the lush rainforests, discover hidden waterfalls, and dive into the underwater world. Immerse yourself in the aromatic spice markets and savor the flavors of Grenadian cuisine. Create memories that will last a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flight, and get ready to experience the magic of Grenada. The spice aisle awaits.